up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to vibe out today and create this great smoky eye look with a great lip. And let's get started. I will be using this BH Cosmetics smoky eye palette, and I will be starting off with this little burgundy red type shade here, and that's going to go into my crease. So let's get started. We're going to put that all over the crease and blend that out until we get the desired shade that we're looking for. And what you want to do is continue to blend that out. And I'm using a Real Techniques brush. I got this from my local Walmart. Next, I'm going to go into that same palette and I'm going to apply that black shade in my crease area right underneath that burgundy, purple, red, brown, whatever color shade that was. They don't have names. And we're just going to smoke and blend that out just a little. And once we're done, we're going to cut that crease. And I'm going to show you guys how to do that in just a second. And I'm going to go in with Absolute New York Radiant Cover Concealer. This is like my new favorite concealer, you guys, besides the LA Girl Pro Concealers. I really like this concealer. And the fact that it kind of dries down to a powdery finish. And what you want to do while you're cutting your crease is take your time. Please don't rush doing a cut crease. It's a little complicated when you go fast, but you want to use the flat brush, a really flat brush. So now that we're done applying our cut crease, I am going to go back into that same palette and use this very light gray shade. And I'm going to pack that all over my lid, starting from the inner corner of my eyes. Now what you want to do is go ahead and pat that all over the lid. And what I am doing right now is just patting the eyeshadow down. Next, I'm going to go back into that palette and get this darker gray shimmer shade. And I'm going to apply that on the outer corners of my eye. This is going to create a transition effect. Almost like an ombre cut crease, but not so much. And so now what we're going to do is add that black shade back into the outer corners of our eyes. And next I'm going to go in with this shimmer highlight color, and I'm going to apply that under my brow bone. Just want to go back in with that red burgundy shade because I had a little bit of fallout from the highlighter color. Okay, this is what it looks like. I applied the rest of shimmer highlight and my eyeliner off camera. And I'm going in with Hard Candy's Poppin' Pigments. This came in a trio pack with a gold shade and a rose gold shade. And I'm just going to apply this silver shade in the inner corners of my eyes. Now this is supposed to be a pigment, but it comes off as tiny flakes. Next I'm going to go into my eyeliner, and this eyeliner I got from my local beauty supply store. It was like maybe 99 cents or $1.99 or something like that, but it's very, very matte, and it's a really good eyeliner, I would say, for the price. And I'm just going to wing that out. Now that we're done, I'm going to apply my eyeliner on my waterline. And once I'm done applying to both eyes, I'm going to smoke that out with that first shade that I applied in my crease. Now that I am done smoking that out, I'm going to go back in with that popping pigment and apply that in the inner corners of my eyes for an highlight effect. Now let's go into Makeup Revolution, and this is my highlighter palette, and I will be using this rose gold shade right here. Look how pretty it is. And I'm going to apply this highlighter shade to my cheeks, to my nose, under my eyebrow bone, and a few places where I want the light to reflect. Next, I'm going to apply my favorite lashes from my favorite company, Unique Cosmetics, and these eyelashes are in the name and style hierarchy. As you can see, these minks are my favorite mink lashes. They last for so long, and I can reuse them as many times as long as I take care of them. Minks is the way to go. Let's give it up for this gray lip color that I am about to apply from Unique Cosmetics in the shade Steel Magnolia. This is a waterproof liquid lipstick that lasts up to 36 hours or more. Now I'm just going to let that dry down, and I'm going to go in with e.l.f. Makeup Mist Spray. This is a very affordable setting spray, and it really does work. Now I'm going to dry my entire face down, the lip and the spray. And there you have it, you guys. This look is complete. This gray smoky eye look, and I'm going to add some highlight to my Cupid's bow. just so it blends in a little more with the highlights on my cheeks and my eyes. And this gray lip and gray look is so bomb. And just like the song say, I am having happy feelings deep down in my soul, child. Because this look, I just killed it, yes. I love this look so much. And I was a little scared or nervous because I thought it wasn't going to come out right. And if you guys are wondering about this big bomb unit that I am wearing, you can check out my Features Equal Valencia wig review that I did on a previous video. This wig is so bomb and I've been rocking it a little while now and it's still in great shape. And it's curling iron friendly, so you can put on it when you think it's starting to get a little crazy on the ends. But so far, thumbs up and let me know what you guys think of this look that I have created. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I'll be sure to be bringing you guys fabulous and unique videos every week like I promised. So again, bye, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys later.